Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to close a position on Interactive Brokers using TWS Desktop. First, navigate to the Portfolio tab. Click on Portfolio in the main TWS window navigation area. Once you're there, you'll see all your current open positions displayed in a list, showing the symbols, quantities, and profit and loss for each one. Now find the position you want to close. Right-click directly on the symbol or the row for that position in your portfolio list. When you do that, a floating pop-up menu will appear with several options, including buy and sell buttons. From that menu, click on Close Position. This will bring up the order entry panel at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice the background turns red to indicate you're selling the position, and the quantity field will automatically populate to match your full position size. The order is also pre-populated with the correct action. If you're long, it'll sell to close. If you're short, it'll buy to cover. Next, you'll want to review and configure your order parameters. In the order entry panel, you can adjust the order type and price. The order type dropdown lets you choose between market for immediate execution at the current price or limit if you want to specify your exit price. You can also adjust the time and force setting here if needed. Once you've set your parameters, click Submit. This won't send the order yet. It'll create an order confirmation page where you can review all the details one more time before anything goes live. Review everything on that confirmation page, and when you're ready, click Transmit. Once you hit Transmit, the order goes live in the market. You'll see it appear in your pending orders section, and once it fills, that position will disappear from your portfolio tab. A couple of quick things. The two-step submit then transmit process is there to prevent accidental closes, so double check your order type and quantity before transmitting. After the order executes, you can verify it went through by checking your orders tab or activity log. If you closed your full position, the symbol won't show in your portfolio tab anymore. That's it for closing a position on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching.